Nam Kat Island Resort. We were dropped off here by the boat. The rest are going to Kat Ba Island, which might be perhaps a better option. This is more resort. Kat Ba is a island like, you know, the Asian islands. Right, Nam Kat Island Resort, Kat Ba Sandy Beach. That was this one, and Monkey Beach. If you want to stay at a resort, we decided to take this one. And there goes our ferry. Oh, it's so beautiful here. And you look down there, it is amazing, beautiful. The open sea. This is the first time we saw open sea instead of just islands on the horizon. And there goes all the other guys on their own ventures. And this is ours. It's one day we're gonna chill, relax, and hopefully have some fun. And our room for the night at Nam Kat Island, Nam Kat Resort. Nice 3-bedroom. It will mean Melanie and I will sleep on this bed, and Megan and Kayla's gonna sleep on that bed, and that one is gonna be, we're so used to 2 beds only that we can't sleep on more than that. The other night we had 3 beds and they both sleep on the same one, and we slept on the other one. And we're off kayaking again. The kids love it, and we actually want to go to that resort over there.
Hey, I don't love it.
To have a look at what they have to offer. You know how the story is. When you're at this beautiful place, you want to go to that one. When you're at that one, you want to go to another one. And they have a fish farm here as well. It's quite popular, fish farms here. The water here is much colder than what we used to in the Asian waters. They about 27 degrees, while the Asian waters in Thailand and Malaysia, they were about 32, 33. It is winter time, yeah, so it probably does have an influence on the water temperatures. You better start paddling, because we're going into the huge rock here in front of us, and we're heading towards, oh, not that side. Go, go, go. It's just beautiful rock formations at Halang Bay. Well, it's not, it's more Kat Bay. Beautiful resort between all the nice rock and cliffs and beaches. And off they go. Now it's our turn, Kayla. Get our boat in the water. So we're gonna try and just see what's on that side. There's the beach we were looking for. Hello. And there's a nice beach, nice chalets. So there's plenty of places to stay overnight in this area, which is really in the middle of nowhere. So my wife has abandoned us because she didn't feel comfortable. There was a, just on the one side, yeah. Don't go too close to this wall. Okay, other side. And you get to this little bay, which is beautiful. So we found this hidden bay. A hidden bay here in the middle of nowhere. And you paddle, and the next moment you just see this gap here, and you come in and say, oh, it's just another place that you don't see until you're right on it. So you try and go all the way around. Kayla's gonna paddle a bit for us, and then I'll do the rest.
No.
Is it recording?
Yes, Dad.
Say your say. Whatever you want to say is now the time.
I don't want to say anything. I'm trying to climb the rocks.
Oh, that's I won't believe it, but right behind these mountains you get another beach resort with a much better and bigger looking beach than this one. So we finished here at Namkat Bay, and that's our last day. We're heading back now to Hanoi Bay, and then we're going to take the bus back to Halong Bay, and then we're going to take the bus back to Hanoi. We sleep there for the night, and tomorrow we're off to the mountains. So it's going to be a busy 2 days. The next 2 days are going to be very busy. So this was Namkat Bay Resort. Very nice resort. They serve breakfast, dinner, it's all included in a package, and it's a self-service, so you can eat as much as you like. There's 2 boats already, but none of them are ours. We're leaving at 8:15. It is now about 8:10. Hell of a commotion. Apparently this is the boat we need to take, not that red one there or the Golden Bay one, but this one. We must just make sure. I can't believe that this is the right one. And another pirate boat. Bye-bye, thank you very much.
What a treat when we got invited to participate in a Vietnamese cooking class. We were shown how to prepare and roll Vietnamese spring rolls. Each one then got their turn to prepare a spring roll, and after that it was sent to the kitchen for frying and served as part of dinner. It was really such a fun activity.
Why don't you clap?
It was such an amazing experience for the girls to be able to learn more about the Vietnamese culture and food. And what better way than to be part of the cooking class? They had so much fun by rolling their own spring rolls, and this ended up being their most favorite Vietnamese dish. Definitely something they will always remember.
It's done very easy, is it? Yeah. You can put here for fry. Put here.
Last time we made spring rolls.
Yeah.
Daniel,
More.
you should try another one.
Okay. And
Yeah,
wrap up.
you make the blender.
And this side. This one like this. Okay. Oh, finish. Good. What is?
It's easy.
Easy.
I can open it.
Right, that's the end of our long bay tour. 2 nights, 3 days, and we're almost back at the bay. It was very pleasant and enjoyable. I droned some bit. And the thing with the drone, if you want to land on the boat, I don't know how to do it. I've tried every trick. I've switched off the vision sensors down below. That drone doesn't shut down. Even if you land it perfectly on the deck, it still wants to go. And usually I end up like this. So this time I just had to shove it down so it doesn't fall overboard. Yesterday morning I had to catch it before it flew into something from the top. And yeah, there's some damage, nothing serious. So maybe somebody can tell me how to land a drone on the boat, especially the DJIs, because they don't shut down. Now it's time for the long bus ride. 3 hours in terrible traffic. You're cramped in the seats because we actually 4 people, but we've booked for free, so we have 3 chairs. So that's how next 4 hours is gonna turn out to be like.
And how they ride this, they ride like this. Woo! And anyway, they just be like this, and then they're going like this, and that make us scared.
Yeah, that is freaky stuff. I'll show you some video that we've taken. It is freaky. You catch another boat to the harbor.
Me
Wait for it. There you go.